I struggled so much to find out how to do this. So I'm going to show you how to sign up as an accountant on QuickBooks in South Africa, because most of the online tutorials on how to do this for free is in the US. So first of all, you can just go onto Google and look for QuickBooks. So here we're just going to type QuickBooks. When your search comes up, there are many links about QuickBooks, but the one that worked for me is the one that is Intuit. So you see here, it says QuickBooks. The one that works for South Africa is the one that is Intuit. So accounting software. And then when you click that link, it's going to ask you whether you want to use the US site or the ZA site. And of course, because this is the South African one, you're going to click the ZA site. And then you get this page. So on this page, you just click on accountants and accountants again. Then after that, you have a link here that says free sign up for accountants. So just click on free sign up for accountants. And in this page, this is where you add all of your details, and this will work for your South African one. So you just fill in your email address, your first name, your last name, password, and of course your South African cell phone number where it's going to be verified. And once you've done that, you can either click this or not if you want to receive marketing emails, and click on one more step. Now it's going to send an SMS to your phone number, and here you just type in the 6 digits that are going to be sent to your phone number, and you just click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to verify, and you're just going to put your accounting name. So here you just put your accounting name and then your number of employees and click finish. And then it's going to set up your account. And that's it. Now you're an accountant. Alright, so now you get the welcome saying hello and your name, your accounting firm, and you just click on let's go. And you see here, access your client lists, see their info, subscription, documents, and status updates, or drive directly into their books. And jump to books. So you get a little tutorial on how to use QuickBooks as an accountant. But that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how you can sign up as an accountant on QuickBooks in South Africa. So hit the like button down below if this video helped you do that and you wanted to do that. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.